Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel ZAHOOR Chemistry. I am SHIEKH Islam, teacher of high school Shanu, and today we are going to discuss about a very important topic from cell structure and function, that is prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Let's start with our topic. First, it will be about the prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, this is considered as the most primitive cell, or we can state that the first living organisms which are present on this world are believed to be prokaryotes, or believed to having a prokaryotic cell, or believed to be prokaryotes. And in this prokaryotic cell, nuclear material, or what we call as nucleus or genetic material, it is without any nuclear membrane, or it is not enclosed by any protective sheet, that is called as nuclear membrane. That is the first main difference between this prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, that nuclear material is without any nuclear membrane, and same is the case with other cell apparatus or other cell organelles which are present within any cell. This prokaryotic cell is considered to be a very simple cell, or most unicellular organisms like bacteria, or like blue-green algae, or like microorganisms, they are believed to be composed of this particular cell, or unicellular organisms that can be an animal or that can be a plant. They are believed to be composed of prokaryotic cell. We can state that in this prokaryotic cell, it is believed that there is not a real nucleus, or there is not presence of a real nucleus or a real nuclear material in there. These are the main differences. These are the main features which are present in any prokaryotic cell, and all those organisms which are having a prokaryotic cell are considered as the prokaryotes. Then there is another type of cell. That particular cell is called as eukaryotic cell. The organism in which this eukaryotic cell is present are called as eukaryotes. And in this eukaryotic cell, nuclear material or genetic material, or we can state that the nucleus is bound by a nuclear membrane, or we can state that the cell organelles, they are bound by a nuclear membrane. It means that the flow of substances, that is a flow of substance in and out from the cell, that occurs due to this nuclear membrane, and there is the occurrence of the process of diffusion, or there is a process of occurrence of the osmosis during this eukaryotic cell, because the nuclear material is bound by a nuclear membrane. In these eukaryotic cells, they have a proper well organized nucleus is present in them. These eukaryotic cells, they are advanced. Or we can state that these organisms are mostly multicellular, or we can state that the organisms are more advanced, and they are also multicellular. And it is to be believed that the life which originated on this earth, first in the water, those organisms are believed to be prokaryotes. Then there was basically the change. There was the morphosis within these organisms, and these organisms changed from this simple to advanced form. Or we can state that first they were prokaryotes, and then they were eukaryotes. It is basically a hypothetical idea, and that is why I present it in the same way to you people. The organisms in the eukaryotes, or the organisms having eukaryotic cell, are more advanced and multicellular. We can state that the kingdom Animalia, like human beings, or wild animals like tiger, bear, fox, or angiosperms, those plantas having closed seeds, and gymnosperms, those plantas having naked seeds, they are believed to be eukaryotes, or they are believed to have a eukaryotic cell. That was all about today's topic. Have a nice day.